Hello everyone, a big virtual hug to you all. In this video, we're gonna create this beautiful and simple header. This is very simple header because we just start coding and we learn first static component of the website, which is header. Later in the videos, we will create more beautiful headers for our websites, but this is very simple header this time. So how to create this header? Let's dive into the code. Now, first of all, create a new folder. Right click, new, and folder, and name this folder as header, and right click on this, show more options, and open with code. Now this folder is open in the VS Code. Just open the terminal, press Ctrl J to open the terminal, and first of all write a command npm create void at latest dot slash. This dot slash means we have to create a folder structure in the root directory, and we use void for our project. So just enter package name as header, and we use React and JavaScript. Now our folder structure is created here. We have to run this command first, then this command. Okay, first write npm install or npm I, whatever you want. It depends on your internet connection, so we give some time to install the node modules folder. Now our folder is created. Write npm I for Sass to install Sass, because we use Sass for our styling. Clear the terminal and write npm run dev to start our server. Just copy the link and open the browser and paste it here. Look, our server is running successfully. Okay, just close the terminal. First, we have to clean the folder structure. And we are done with this. Change this extension from CSS to SCSS, and in the app.jsx just write here S. Now again run the terminal, go to the browser. Here we have nothing. If I write here header, look, we have a header here. Now what you have to do in the app.scss, open it side by side, right here. First just copy the link from the Google Fonts. I use Roboto for our project, and here write universal code, which is padding 0, margin 0, and box sizing border box. Okay, it attached to the top of the browser. Now create a new folder here, which is components, and inside this create a new folder which is header, and inside this header create two files, header.jsx, and the second one is header.scss. Take this header.jsx here, close these files, and here write RAFCE to create our component. Now in the app.jsx, just call this header like that. Make sure this header file is open here, then you see a suggestion, otherwise you will not see any suggestion. Here write header component. For example, look, we have a header here. Now in this header component, write a div which has header class name, and inside this we have a container, and inside this container we have left container and a right container, and inside this right container we have anchor tags. We have 4 anchor tags, so multiply a by 4, and there you go. Just zoom in a bit like that. And in the left section we have a simple logo text. Later we will use logo PNGs. Here we have home, about, products, and login. For example, just format the code. Now just import header.scss here, header.scss. Apply stylings here. First we have a header, and its width is 100%, height is 70 pixels, and background is RGB 235, 235 and 235. After that, we have a container. Inside this container, make display of flex, align items center, and justify content center. Next section we have is left container. Font family is Roboto, otherwise sans serif, and font weight is 700. Font style is normal, and font size is 30 pixels. Margin top 10 pixels, margin left 80 pixels, and the color is RGB 15, 15 and 15, like that. Check the code. Okay, we have something like this. Now after this we have right section. Font family here is Roboto, sans serif, this one. Font weight is 400. Font style is normal. Display of flex. Justify content center. Gap is 20 pixels. Margin right as 140 pixels and margin top as 20 pixels. And inside this we have anchor tag, and text decoration is none. Color is RGB 15, 15 and 15, like that. And on hover, what we have to do, we have to change the color, which is RGB 250, 157 and 157, like that. Just check this. We have something like this. Okay, this is not move to the right. Here I made a mistake here. Here we have space between. Okay, just check this, like that. We have something like this, and our header is created. Just to beautify the things, we take a picture here and write some text. For this we have a picture. Just delete this, and I have this picture here. Okay, now what you have to do, in the app.jsx, remove this header and here write logo bg. For example, give any name you want, and here we have image and its source is bg.jpg. Okay, and after this we have h1, which is minds dev. This is the name of our YouTube channel. Now in the app.css, write some styling. Here logo bg, and here position relative. Then we have image, width as 100%, height is, we use calc function, 100% minus 70 pixels. Then we have h1, position absolute, top 50%, left 50%, transform, translate minus 50% and minus 50%. This will center the text. Now font family is Roboto, otherwise we have sans serif. Font weight is 900. Font style is normal. Font size is 350 pixels, and the color is RGB 233, 232 and 232, like that. Just format the code, and look, we have something like this. Okay, now our header is completed successfully. This is the short code for the header. We will create more beautiful headers in the future when we create large scale websites. So that is for this video. If you like my content, do like and subscribe my channel and share your lovable comments too.